Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's very, very nice move, I should more so say just this afternoon, because this afternoon is where the volume really came pouring in, and the price finally got the breakout there. But anyway you slice it, definitely a lot of updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning, get rid of that line there. Sure, it still pertains, just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, you know, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully remember me talking about 770-ish as that level of resistance. But now that the price is above it, this would be that ideal level of support. Ideal meaning if the price stays above it, that would be a huge sign of power. However, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that implies the chart's ruined or broken or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above it, then, you know, that's the ultimate sign of power. However, taking a step back, and if you've watched past videos, you've heard me talk about this level, and I'm going to continue to talk about it because it really does do a good job of simplifying things, I guess pun intended, but that is where the 50-period simple moving average comes into play. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is just going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So the easy way to judge the health of the overall move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can visualize that, you know, that is what is being represented. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward right now, and that is just simply where the party stopped today, right up there at $8.15. So $8.15, public enemy number one going forward. The good news is the price did not close very far below it. So assuming there's no gap downs or anything, it's looking like the price can resume, tomorrow morning immediately, trying to do battle with it once again. All in all, though, at the end of the day, resistance levels really don't matter because as long as the price keeps on building the higher bases like it's been doing over the past several days, then as you've seen, everything just takes care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.